Yeah. So because that was the thumbnail, this is what has to be the video. So James, I got new tires.
These are nice.
Aren't they great?
They are.
Best tires ever. They're going on the Model Y. These are a sub-brand of Sumitomo tires. It's a Chinese brand. They're called Laufenn. Laufenn. So I got these for $143 per tire, and I'm going to be putting them on the 19-inch wheels I got. I got to say, Jamie has never been more excited for a set of tires, folks. So we're going to get these put on the car. I'm going to do some range testing. I'm going to see how much more comfortable the 19-inch wheels are with these tires. These are all-season tires. And I'm also going to see, is this cheap of a tire worthy getting? I've heard that they actually wear a little bit quicker, but again, you're paying so much less than $300 per tire. So 2 of these tires cost like what the OEM tire costs. So we're going to do some testing on that. I'm going to get them installed. We're going to talk about weight. We're going to talk about cabin noise, range, comfort. All of those things will be covered in this video. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so before we take these off to Discount Tire to get mounted, again, I'm putting them on the 19-inch wheels. I will show you those after I get them mounted onto the car. We'll do one of those snap effects where it changes. So these online say that they weigh 28 pounds. I'm just gonna test and confirm that now on this tire scale. It's not a tire scale. I have to explain my jokes now because idiots. And there you go, 27.5 pounds for one tire. Let's do another one just for quality assurance. And this call is recorded for quality assurance. Hi, can you not record my call? No, we cannot, sir. You have no rights in this country. Okay, and there you go. Another 27, I'm trying to stop it from rolling here. Yeah, what's the body fat percentage on this tire? That's what I want to know. Stop moving. Why does this piece of garbage roll? I guess it works. It is a tire. Yeah, so there you go. Just under 28 pounds for these tires. So, all right, folks. So the question is, can you fit 4 tires and 4 wheels that are disconnected into a Model Y? And the answer is yes. Here we go. We got 1 up front, 2 in the back seat, 2 tires here, another wheel here, and 2 tires there. No, we got issues. We got major issues. Might have to turn these. Okay, I think we got it fixed here. So, yes. Yes. This is gonna be close. Yes. I'll tell you what, folks. They don't make them like me no more. All right, made it here to Discount. Model Y looks good, but check out that X. Jeez, that looks amazing. So here's a look at the wheels currently. Boom. There's the new ones. So yes, I got the 19-inch Gemini wheels. So let's give you some facts about the 19-inch Gemini wheels here. The 20-inch wheels, they weigh 32.5 pounds. So 32.5 pounds on these monsters. Beautiful wheel though. The tire weight on those is 25 pounds. These 19-inch wheels, the weight is 27.8 or probably 28 pounds. And then the tire weight is 28 pounds. Online it says 28. I weighed it at 27.5. So there you go. I'm going to get these things cleaned up here in a second. So the initial impressions on these, the only thing I don't like is that this lip kind of sticks out. And that's where like the hubs go over top. I don't think I'm going to be putting the hubs on right now, but I will for range testing. And I'm going on a road trip. I'm driving to Texas with these things. So I'm going to talk about ride comfort. I'm going to talk about cabin noise compared to the 20-inch wheels. And then there will be a day where I do range testing, where I drive a certain amount of miles on these tire and wheel setup. So I'm going to be doing all kinds of wheels because I know you guys have the question, get the induction 20-inch wheels or should you get the 19-inch Gemini wheels? But I actually like how they look. I mean, it has a sporty look. I have a finishing set coming, so I'm going to get the finishing set. So I'll have that. And then also, I might powder coat these. I don't think I'm going to do black because I already have a black set of wheels. So I might do a special color on these wheels. I legitimately like how they look. Plus, with the suspension lowered 1/4 of an inch, it looks really good how it sits in the back. There's still a little bit of wheel gap here. It might look even better if I put on some wheel spacers to get it sitting out more, but getting these powder coated would look really cool. So I'm gonna get these all cleaned up and then let's go for a little quick test drive. To clean the wheels, I'm gonna be using the Hydrosilex wheel cleaner. I will then shine them up with Slick, and then I also use Hydrosilex ceramic waterless wash just to touch up my car, get any imperfections off the side of it instead of having to wash the whole car. So I am sponsored by Hydrosilex. I love their products. Code GJEEBSOCTOBER saves you 25% off your purchase there. They've supported the channel for a while, so check them out. Also, their ceramic glass cleaner, which I don't have pictured here, is great for all the glass that's on the Tesla. It keeps you protected a little bit longer. Let's clean these wheels. Now that looks amazing. So what I'm gonna do is a giveaway. I'll give away the tire shine and the wheel cleaner, so that way you have a set at home. All you have to do is like the video and leave a comment below, and I will choose one of you to win. So just make sure you like the video, leave a comment, and you'll be entered to win those two, so you can try this for yourself at home because it does work extremely well. Let's go for a test drive. Wheel looks amazing. I'm out here walking these streets. Iced coffee in my veins will probably give me erectile dysfunction, but I'm pumped up right now. I'm pumped up. I was just watching Thick Whips. He had a video that the music in the video got me jacked up. Started thinking about I'm doing YouTube for a living. Freaking, I'm excited. I'm excited. It's, I do get scared not every day, but every once in a while. I just think like, man, this could end at any moment. I don't know. I'm really thankful that I'm getting the support I am from you guys and my sponsors, and I'm able to do this for a living. So, initial thoughts on the tires. These are Laufenn tires. Again, that's a sub-brand of Sumitomo. It's a Chinese brand. They're rated for 45,000 miles. They cost me $143. After taxes, it was $623. I got all four of them. This is crazy. These wheels cost $2,800 if you buy them from Tesla. And that's with tires though, so subtract tires out, whatever that is. I got them for $200 for all four of these wheels. So pretty amazing deal that I got. And the guy was a subscriber. So Pete, I think it was Pete. Pete, if you see this, thank you. And I had to do these range testing. So $200 for the tires, so we're at $820 plus $160 for install. What's that, $980? So just under $1,000 all in on these tires and wheels, and I'm gonna be able to do some awesome testing. The tires themselves look good. They look good on the car. They don't look cheap. There's no like cheap trimming on the laser etching on the rubber, so that's good. But again, they're cheap tires. They're not supposed to last as long as the other ones do, but no tires ever last that long with Teslas because it's very hard to keep your foot off the gas. Yeah, so far they're fine. If anything, I may hear a little bit of extra road noise. I don't know how much of that is just me. Other than that, I mean, they look great, feel great. They're all season tires. And again, I'm going on a road trip to Texas tomorrow. Old Mustang there. Let's listen to that. Listen to that thing take off here. Sounds good. But anyways, I will be doing range testing, comfort testing. Just in my initial driving here, it is more comfortable, for sure. It's crazy that only an inch of wheel does that, but I think the thicker tire is the thicker tire is absorbing just more shock that's coming up through the car. So they do ride a little bit smoother. I don't think they look as good as the 20s, but that's all personal preference. Maybe you like these wheels. Maybe you like them with the hubs on and you want maximum efficiency, which would be with the hubcaps on. So, hey, that's up to you. Don't let anyone else make that decision for you because you are paying for it. So don't let your friends say, "Oh, you gotta get the 20s," and he's driving like a '94 Camry. It's like, dude, this is my car. But yeah, these are smoother. They are smoother for sure. I'm really excited for a road trip with them to see what kind of range we're getting. Also, Discount Tire was smart enough to, not that Discount Tire, I made it sound like they're idiots there. I really like Discount Tire. I've always gone there since I've been in Arizona for my tires. I can say nothing but good things about them. Highly recommend them. So, a lot more information coming on these tires. I appreciate you guys watching and listening to me, lose concentration every 34 seconds. It's very tough, Undiagnosed ADD is a fun way to live life, I gotta say. But there's a Chevy Volt.
we know you'd rather walk. I'm kidding. I know you guys get upset. Like, some of you own Chevy Volts, and you get upset. I think it's a fine car. And just, again, my opinion. I'm not paying for that car, so I can say what I want. You love it, you love it. There we go again, another tangent. Oh, wow, this all started with Discount Tire was nice enough to go into the program and put in that I have the 19-inch wheels on, so I noticed that that was reflected in my app as well. You can see on your screen there that now the app reflects the 19-inch wheels. You can do that in your settings on your Tesla. I'll show you how to do that in a second. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Lots more to come on the channel. Very interesting content coming. I got some engineers I got on board here. We got a lot of good information coming, folks. I'm happy to share it with all of you. Thank you for the support. We'll see you next time. Okay, a little update here. I just took the Y and absolutely ripped it around. These wheels, these tires, because they are lighter, it just sounded like Jack the Ripper was dragging a shovel behind me. I don't know why. They're lighter. That unsprung mass is a big deal. Also, with the unplugged luxury suspension that I have, really has changed the ride quality of this car. So we'll dive into this more. I just wanted to give that update because I've been ripping it around here. That's the nice thing of an EV. You can go like hell and no one knows because there's no exhaust except for you. You get to feel the G-forces. So yeah, lots to come on these. Thank you for watching. Oh,